Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Happy Saturday. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. I have a large collective haul for you guys. So let me start off with what I got from Ali. So I got this die right here. It looks like a sunburst. And I got it to use on wands. I thought it would be pretty. And then I picked up this really pretty butterfly. It's a layered one. I thought that would be really pretty also. And then they sent me a free die and it was a snowflake. And then that's all I got from Ali. And then I went to the Dollar Tree and I found some really cute things. So I found these carrots and I thought they would be so cute on packaging. They're like, what do you call those? Like bottle brush material. And then they have raffia, but they're so cute. So I got those. And then I found this ribbon that I thought was really cute. It has carrots and then it has like this green iridescent on the sides. It's really cute and you get 3 yards. And then I found the other 2 packages of the confetti. So this one has different colored ducks, and then it has small flowers, and then it has leaping Easter bunnies. So cute. And then this one has yellow ducks, or chicks. Did I say ducks? Chicks. It has yellow chicks. And then it has these fun eggs. And then it has these happy Easter sequins in all different colors. Really cute. And then the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree, I was so happy. I kept waiting for these. And they finally got them in. So they had these signs, and they had different colored ones, but I really wanted the pink gingham. And it says Bunny Trail Farms, open daily 9 to 5, locally grown, farm fresh eggs and produce, established 1925. And then it's distressed. And I want to hang it in my room, and I'm going to hang it year round. I think it is so cute. And it's made really well. So for $1.25, it is so worth it. So yeah, I got that. And that's all I got from the $1.25 store. And then at Hobby Lobby, I picked up this stamp here. It says, ride with unicorns, swim with mermaids, and chase rainbows. And it was regularly $6.49. I got it for $1.64, I think it was. And then I found this little tray. It says Scraps of Genius, and it has this really cute old-fashioned sewing machine. And this one was $4.99, and I got it for $1.24. So super cute. So I'll keep that with my sewing machine. And then next, in the spring shop, they have this ribbon. It's strawberry ribbon. You get 6 yards, and it was $5.99 and 40% off. And it's a wired ribbon. I love it. It is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Very pretty. And then in the Easter section, I found these carrot stickers. They're $2.99 and then 40% off. And then I found this twine, Easter twine, that was $2.99, 40% off. You get 6 colors and perfect for spring, and you could even use them for summer. So I got that. And you get 6 colors. Let's see. Let's see how much you get. $30 feet each. Yeah, 180 feet total. So that's a good amount. And the last thing I got from Hobby Lobby was an iris case. And this is the best deal that I found. So they're $3.99. At Michael's they're $9.99. And the only thing is they only come in the clear. But if you're okay with that, then this is the best deal for $3.99. So just so if you're on the lookout for them, that's how much they are. And that is a great price. Then, what else do I have? Tuesday morning, guys. I went to Tuesday morning and they had some things that I wanted. So let me show you those things. So first, I'll show you the small things first. So I found this Keeper Stackers. It's clear stackable jar with box. I got it for $4.99. And they say it was regularly $9.99, which I think it would have cost more than that. But it has snaps on it, and then it has these different size jars on the inside. And I thought this would be perfect for my brads and my eyelets. It also says storing beads and more, but I'm not going to use it for that. Like I said, I'm going to use it for my brads and my eyelets. But $4.99 was an awesome deal. You get 28 clear stackable jars with box. So that's awesome. So I got that. And I had went to two different ones on 2 different days. So then I found, the first time I went, I found these scissors here. And they were regularly $10.99. I got them for $4.99. And I thought they were so cute with the pink and the polka dots. And I always need scissors. Always. I'm always grabbing them and I'm always losing them. And then I find them. But anyways, I always need scissors. And then when I went the next day, I found the Cutter Bee ones at a different location. And mine are not that good anymore, so I was excited to find these. These are really good scissors, guys. So these are regularly $14.99. I got them for $6.99. So I was happy to find a set of Cutter Bees. And that is a good deal. Then I found these Sticky Thumb Sticky Dots. You get 300 pieces. And they retail for, let's see, $8.99. And I got them for $3.99. So I got one for me and one for BFF Tina Bean. So I got those. And then, because of my arthritis in my feet and my sciatic nerve, my sciatica is acting up, I got some compression socks. And they are flamingos, my favorite. So I thought these were so cute. So these retail for $12 and I got them for $6.99. But I just love them. They're so cute. It's always fun to have things that you need for like medical stuff or whatever to make it more fun. Make them cute. So I'll be putting those on today. Cute. Okay, and then they had Totally Tiffany items. And I was so excited. Oh, well, let me show you this first. So this wasn't Totally Tiffany. They had these cases. They're thin. They're like iris cases, but like half the size. I don't know how I can make you see them. They're really thin. And they were, 2 of them, regularly $19.99. I got them for $7.99. And then they're called Slim Craft Storage Case. So what I got these for were for like my little, what do you call these? Oh my gosh, ink dots. Little ink, dewdrops and my little ink spots. And I thought this would take up less room, and I could use that drawer that I'm using these for something else if they had a different storage unit for them. So that's what I bought them for. Okay, then back to Totally Tiffany. I was so excited they had Totally Tiffany stuff. So let me show you what I got. So they had these. And these are the 8.5 by 11 paper takers. It's a storage and supply case. And it's regularly $14.99. I got it for $7.99. And it holds up to 300 sheets of paper or 150 sheets of cardstock. And I wanted them for the cardstock. So I bought 4 of these. I'm using 2 right now. Because when I bought that cardstock from Michael's that I showed you guys, that's what I filled them up with. So it comes with the plastic, and then it comes with a insert of a hard plastic that you fit the cardstock into, so your pages won't bend or crease or whatever. So here's the inside. It fit 150. So I've got my blue and part of my pinks in there. And it looks like this. And then when you close it, it Velcros closed. And it looks like that. And then it has a handle on top, and it has handles, or one handle on the side, one handle on top. And that's what it looks like on top. In the back. So it fits 150 perfectly. And then my other one has the purples and then the rest of my pinks. So let me show you that. So there's the purples and the pinks. The rest of my pinks. And they fit perfectly. So I got 300 sheets in 2 containers. So I can buy 2 more packs, and then they'll fit in the other 2, which is what I plan on doing. And then I bought this. This is called the Lois 2.0 All Event Tote. And it's a reinforced carry handles, reinforced bottom panel, exterior ringer clip keys, 2 interior pockets, clear view up to all contents, holds 12 by 12 supplies, and folds flat for storage. And I got a couple of those. Let me show you what it looks like. So it's really big. It's nice. So it opens up like so. Look how big that is. It has a pocket here, and then a pocket on the other side, on the inside. And then they collapse down like that when you're not using them. And they say Totally Tiffany. And it's has the strong handles on them. And the bottom is hard. So that is super nice. And then the last one I got is this one. It's called the Irene Buddy Bag. And you get 3 in this one. And it's regularly $22.99. I got it for $12.99. And this one I use for my re-inkers. So it looks like this. You get a handle on the side. And I put all my re-inkers in there. So you could use it for other things, but that's what I use mine for. So it was awesome to get a 3-pack of that. And that is everything, guys. So I thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.